Welcome, student. Today I am going to discuss the new topic from the new unit. The topic name is balancing of rotated masses and its various cases. Okay, so first of all, I am going to discuss what is balancing, why we study balancing. Okay, okay, what is balancing? Balancing unbalanced force is produced in rotary of reciprocating machinery due to the inertia forces associated with moving masses. Balancing is the process of designing or modifying the machinery so that unbalance is reduced to acceptable level and if possible is eliminated entirely. So let us suppose that suppose in an automobile vehicle in an axle there are two wheel. If I am consider front wheel drive, if I am consider rear wheel drive, then there is a unbalanced couple is formed when rotate the vehicle. Okay, in nowadays the high speed of engine and other machineries are very common, and it is very essential that all the rotating and the spring mass parts should be completely balanced. If these parts are not properly balanced, then dynamic force are set up. These forces, these forces not only increase the load on bearing and stress in the various member, also increase the stresses in the various member. These can produce the unpleasant and dangerous vibrations. Okay, so it is very essential balancing of unbalanced force caused by the rotating mass in order to minimize pressure on the bearings when an engine is running, because these unbalanced mass may cause dangerous cause of accident, etc. Okay, so here you can see a figure. A particle of mass moving in a circular path experiences the centripetal acceleration. An equal and opposite force acting radially outward act on the axis of rotation. The disturbing force on the axis of rotation magnitude constant, but the direction changes with the rotation of the mass in revolving rotator. We know that there are, if a body is rotating, there are two forces are working on it. One is radially outward and one is radially inward. One force which is radially outward, that is called centrifugal forces, and which force radially inward act, that is called centripetal force. Okay. Why balancing is necessary? This is a very important question. The high speed of an engine and other machines is a common phenomenon nowadays. It is very essential for rotating. RSP bar should be complete. I already discussed in my previous PPT and not balance. Okay. Balancing of rotating mass. Okay. When a certain mass is attached, rotating shaft, it exerts some centrifugal force whose effect is to bend the shaft and to produce vibration in it. In order to prevent effect of the centrifugal force, another mass is also attached. Let us suppose in a shaft, uh, at each end, suppose one end carry a load and other end is fixed, then it is not a balance. We can say it is not balanced, not maintain a equilibrium. So that's why we put the same amount of mass on other end, that means we can say it is equilibrium. So we can say it is done in a such a way that when the centrifugal force of the both masses are made to be equal and opposite. The process of providing the second mass in order to counteract the effect of the centrifugal force of the first mass is called balancing of rotating mass. Let us take another example. If you want to buy potatoes, suppose 1 kg potatoes, then shopkeeper put 1 kg bar on other end and 1 kg tomato. When it maintain equilibrium, then we can take. So this is an example. There are the four important cases in the subject point of view. First, balancing of single rotating mass by a single mass rotating in same plane. Second, balancing of single rotating mass by the two masses of rotating in different planes. Balancing of different masses rotating in same plane. Balancing of different masses rotating in different planes. So these are the four cases. It is very important on the exam point of view for rotating mass study. So in next lecture we will study the first second case and next another with take an example of any numerical or other some other. Thank you so much. I hope you will understand this PPT video. If you have an issue and doubt, you can message me. Okay, thank you so much.